I've noticed that many faceless content creators today are faced with just one problem. I know you'll be like, what is this problem? The problem is prompting. How to prompt AI to give them the exact picture, to give them the exact video that they have in their mind. Many persons today, they would be creating content, but they don't know what to tell AI. Now, they prefer talking to a human being than them explaining that thing to AI. Most of them don't even know what to say at all. It is because of you I am making this video. In today's video, I will tell you what to tell AI, those basic things that must be included in your prompt, so that that mental picture you have, that picture you have in your head, in your mind, will come out clean. So if this sounds like a video you would love to watch, this is me urging you to watch it from start to finish. Do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, do well to like this video, do well to share this video. If you have a question, please kindly leave it in the comment section. Of course, I'm always there to respond. Now let's assume I want to create a picture of a lady selling oranges. Now if I go to any AI tool, okay, for the purpose of this video, let's use Flow AI. You can use any AI tool of your choice. So let's assume I want to create this picture. So I go to Flow AI and tell Flow AI that Flow AI should generate an image of a lady selling oranges for me. Now if I go to Flow and drop this prompt, this is the image Flow AI is going to generate for me. This is the image. But if you ask me, build with Mimi, is this the exact image you want? The answer is no. But why is Flow AI giving me this image? Flow AI is giving me this image because I have not gone ahead to include the things that are relevant. You understand? So at this point, let me go ahead and drop this prompt for Flow AI. Let's see the image it is going to generate for me. So this is my prompt. Let me read it out for you. So here I went ahead to say, give me an image of a 20-year-old lady wearing a blue dirty gown selling oranges in Lagos State General Market. I want her dark in complexion, tall, beautiful, with old braids. Since it is a market, I want other people, men and women, selling different things next to her. I want her to look very worried, like someone who hasn't sold for days. I want it to be hyper realistic and very, very clean. So guys, this is the prompt that I gave to Flow AI, and this is the image that Flow AI has generated for me. Can you see the difference? Now let me tell you why this particular one came out very well. It came out the way I wanted because there are some basic things that I personally included. So first of all, I don't know if you noticed that I added her age. I told Flow AI that I want that woman to be 20 years old. Another thing I added was that I want her standing. I want her standing. So another thing I added was that I want her selling these oranges in a market, in a Lagos market. So once you tell Flow AI Lagos market, Flow AI already knows how an average Lagos market will be. You know how crowded it is always, right? It already knows. So if you don't go ahead to include this Lagos market, it might just give you an image of a lady selling oranges by a roadside. You understand? Now another thing I added was a complexion. You need to add, if you want the lady to be fair in complexion, if you want her to be dark in complexion, if you want her complexion to be chocolate. You understand? That's another thing I added. Now another thing I added was that I want her tall. I want her tall. So you may want to say you want her tall, you want her short. Another thing is that you also need to include if you want her beautiful or you want her ugly. This is very, very important. Another thing I added is her hair. You may go ahead to say that you want her to use low cut. You may go ahead to say that you want her to use long hair. You want her to use wig. You want her to use her natural hair. You have to state this. It is very, very important. Another thing I mentioned in that prompt is the dress. The dress that she should wear. Is it a very neat dress? Is it a torn dress? Is it a beautiful dress? Is it a gown? Is it a skirt? Is it wrapper? You understand? Now, another thing I mentioned is the environment. How should the environment be? Is it market environment? Is it an office environment? Is it by the roadside? This is very, very important. Another thing I mentioned there is her mood. Will she be happy? Will she be sad? Like, you understand? If someone is looking frustrated, will she look frustrated? Will she look excited? You need to include this in your prompt as well. Then another thing you would love to add is the camera movement. This camera movement is important when you're turning it into a video. It's not really important in this when generating your image, but when you're turning it to a video, camera movement is very, very important. Then another thing you need to add is, do you want it hyper realistic? You know that you can generate AI images, but you don't want it to be hyper realistic. There are some AI images that you generate these days, and you just look at it, you'll be like, is it a human being? Is it AI? Like, there is no difference. You can't really tell. So if you want it hyper realistic, you don't want people to know that this is an AI image once they look at it, then you go ahead to include it in your prompt. Is very, very important. Another thing that you need to include, which is also very, very important, is the aspect ratio. Now, this aspect ratio is important if you'll be making use of AI tools that do not have aspect ratio. There are some AI tools that you use. You'll be the one to include your aspect ratio in your prompt. If you're generating for Facebook, YouTube Short, TikTok, you need to generate your images in 9:16. If you're generating YouTube long form video, you need to generate it in 16:9. If it is Instagram, it should be 1:1. So aspect ratio is very, very important. Then another thing you need to look into, this is where the major issue is, because even people in my community are always complaining about this particular thing. Now, in a situation where you're generating a dialogue scene, let's assume four friends that are sitting in a parlor, they are talking, they are discussing, or let's assume husband and wife are having a little conversation. Now, you end up seeing that the husband will be the one to say what the wife is supposed to say. Many persons are having this challenge. Now, it's because you did not prompt it the right way. You know what you're going to do? When prompting it, when copying your prompt to this AI tool, you need to include that okay, let's assume there are up to four friends. 2 ladies and 2 guys. So you need to include there that you want the man putting on a green shirt to say this. Then you put it in quotation sign. You understand? Now, after that man is done saying that, let's assume the woman is supposed to say something next. Now you go ahead and say, I want the woman wearing a white shirt to say this. Then that thing she's going to say, you put it again in quotation sign. I don't know if you're getting my point. Now, if you don't go ahead to put it in quotation sign, you see that what the lady should be saying, the man will end up saying it. This is why I keep telling us that after generating your script, you need to sit down, study your script, and know who is supposed to say what at a particular time. If you yourself do not understand your script, the tendency of you generating what you want is very, very slim. Now, I want you to watch these videos that I generated. Tell me in my comment section if you noticed any of these things that I just mentioned. Tell me in my comment section if you noticed the emotions, if you noticed any of the things I just mentioned in this video, and let me know where you were getting it wrong. Let me know if this video was useful. Let me know if you will be using this format I just told you. Let me know if you need this prompt in my comment section. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching up to this point. See you guys in my next video, and bye for now.
So David is choosing blessing over me after all I did for him while we were in school. This is not fair. If I knew, I would have listened to Obi, his friend. He tried to discourage me, but I didn't listen. Daddy, please forgive me. It was a mistake.
Are you willing to tell me the truth?
Daddy, I will do everything humanly possible to make you proud. Please don't chase me out of the house. I am still your child.